In today's video, we've got something special in collaboration with Ckshoes.com. They're an amazing website that offers authentic brand name sneakers at incredible prices. Ckshoes has their own factory that specializes in replicating popular shoes using the same premium materials as the originals. Before we get into the unboxing, I want to give you all the details on Ckshoes.com. Their selection is always up to date with the hottest releases across brands like Nike, Adidas, Air Jordan, Yeezy, Off-White, Dior, and more. Not only sneakers, but they also have a dope collection of streetwear clothing and accessories. Plus, they're running an insane 25% off sale. Just join their Discord or WhatsApp using the details in the description to get that discount code. I'm so impressed with the Air Jordan 4 Vivid Sulfur I got from Ckshoes.com. If you want to cop some high-quality, affordable kicks and streetwear, their website is the move. Don't sleep on their 25% off discount either. Use my code TBP at checkout for an extra 15% off too. The site link is in the description as always. Be sure to smash that like button and subscribe for more sneaker unboxings and reviews coming soon.